Hello friends, welcome to Tutorials Point. In this video, we are going to learn Count tool in Adobe Photoshop. Hello friends, you can see the Count tool in the extended version of Adobe Photoshop. You can also say 1, 2, 3 Count tool. So friends, you can find a Count tool in this Eyedropper tool where you can see this last tool which is called 1, 2, 3 Count tool, or you can also say Count tool. By pressing shortcut I, you can activate this tool, and by switch for this tool you need to press Shift plus I to switch from one tool to another tool in this eye category. Okay, so you can also long press on this icon and you can select a Count tool. So friends, if you ever need to count something in your image, instead of writing it down, use the Count tool which is nested under the Eyedropper tool over here. So friends, once you selected the tool, click anywhere on your image to start the counting. With every click you will add a marker with a numerical label, making it easy to see the item that you have counted. So as you can see, here is an label as well as marker. So I am showing you detail all this property and how it's work, and how you can also make it larger so that you can watch it easily. So friends, first of all I am going to erase these numbers. So first of all we are going to come over here. So friends, here we have a 3 different category. Now here we are going to learn this Count tool. So first of all we are going to select this 1, 2, 3 Count tool. Now once you click anywhere, the one count with marker is created. Now let's see all this property. First of all, how you can make it bigger. So for that you need to increase the label size. Label size means the number. So first of all I am making 30. So as you can see, our number is bigger. Now this is small dot is marker size. You can also increase this marker size by increase this number. I'm just making marker size 10. So now you can easily watch this. Okay, so friends, now we have number with marker size. So how you can change this marker color? For that you need to select this color, and now from here you can change the any color you want. So like that you can just click any of the screen and the count is created like this. So after that, if you want to clear this count, you just need to press over here and all the count are clear. So friends, if you notice that whenever we start creating a number like this, there is a created one group which is called a count group 1. This will automatically created. A default count group is created when you include a count number to the picture. You could develop several count group, each with its own name. Now marker and label size and also a label color. So when you added a count numbers to the picture, the currently chosen group is incremented. Now as you can see, we can add as many as number we want. We can also rename this group by clicking on rename. Shape 1, shape group 1. Okay, or we can say shape 1 group and press OK. And as you can see, these are all numbers is categorized into a shape 1 group. You can also see over eye, toggle a visibility from count group. You can just disable it to off all the count numbers like this. Okay, now I'm going to show you how you can create another group. For that you can see here one option which is called create a new count group. Just click here, and now I am giving it a name, shape 2 group. Just press OK. And now for this second group you can add a different color. I'm just making it a black. Fine. Now you can just start giving a number like this. So friends, as you can see, our second group with a black color, and also in this group category we can see there are two groups, group 1 and group 2. Okay, by selecting a group 1 you can just enable or disable this group, or by selecting group 2 you can disable or enable this group. So like this you can use a different group. Now we are going to create one more group to our third shape, shape 3. Okay, and just press OK. and now we are just applying a different color. And once you start click on this group, it will be create a new count with a different color. So friends, like this you can create a multiple group in Adobe Photoshop. Now this is a very useful tool if you ever need to count something in your image. So instead of just writing down, you can just use this 1 2 3 count tool and give a different counts. So friends, like this you can also delete the whole group. For example, I don't want this first group, so I'm just selecting this first group and press on this delete, and the whole group is deleted with all the counts. So friends, like this you can use a 1 2 3 count tool in a different way. In our next video we are going to learn a note tool in Adobe Photoshop, where we are using this count tool and we are going to use this count tool with note tool. How? We are just making a count, and that on count we are giving a different notes. So guys, thank you so much. See you in the next video.